Initially, what made me interested in McMaster was just the fact that it had a really good engineering program, and I have friends and family members and friends of family members that had all gone to McMaster and loved it.
I'm Fiona, I'm grade 11 and I go to Agincourt Collegiate Institute.
My name is Zoe Bonk, I'm in grade 11 and I go to Bishop Redding Catholic Secondary School.
My name is Noor Tuema, I'm in grade 11 and I go to Dr. Frank J. Aiden Secondary School in Burlington.
My name's Eleanor Goff. I'm grade 11 student at Abbey Park High School in Oakville.
In engineering, you're actually solving problems and you see the solution come out of that.
I've done a tour at McMaster and just the experience from that, talking with professors, talking with the students.
I'm considering engineering because I'm interested in the STEM field. So I like my science and I like my math.
Definitely check out McMaster because the students here are very helpful in terms of questions, and so is the faculty, and you can learn a lot from just visiting for one day.